Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not receiving email issue, right? This is very easy. You have to just tweak some changes and in the settings and that's you are ready to go, right? So first of all, of course, you have to just go into the Gmail and once you're inside, you have to click on the top left side corner, right? And once you're here, just go to the, let me show you, go to the settings, right? Select your email address, scroll a little bit down and you will find the option of sync here, right? So you have to just find it there. You can see here sync Gmail, right? You have to just unselect this, click on OK, and again just click on this, right? Then close your Gmail, right? And this is it, right? And after that you will find maybe your problem is fixed. But if that is not fixed, go to the setting of your phone. Once you're in the setting, just go to the apps control manager, right? In phone you can just type the apps management, you will find it, but if you're not able to find it, just go to the apps, right? And once you're here, you have to find the Gmail. Once you are in the Gmail, you have to just go to the storage usage, clear cache, and after that once you clear data, it will automatically fix all your problems which you're facing in the Gmail, right, including this one. So this is pretty easy. Just follow this two-step and you will able to fix Gmail not receiving email. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.